pupunta si Gracia? Hindi ko natatapos.
May pa-flower si Madam at Clara. Thank you.
Nag-start na siyang mag-vlog. Kasi itong gusto mo namin mag-inom. Tapos sabi naman ni Ana, kain mo si Abby at i-celebrate natin yung birthday niya. Sabi niya. Tapos nabanggit ko kay Clara. Tapos yun, sinong sabi ko, pili na lang ako kasi punta ka na sa Elfromai Street.
Pan talaga to.
Sabi ko, gutom ka na ba? Order ka na. Gutom ka na. Dating mo wala pang pagkain. Kumikate ka.
Pat, andito kami banda sa bahay niyo. Mismo na. Wala kami ni Mahal.
Wala, iba na to.
Nawala kami. Hindi namin alam kung
Likod
saan
ng
yung...
hotel to eh.
Oo, dito tayo pinasok eh. Doon natin, yun yung little oh. Ha?
Kaya nga, nandito kami sa
Hindi pa sila ng cake. May flower pa sila. Nawawala. Wala kami. Hello! Ay, pinawala kami. Tara. Huwag tayo naman siya. Parang nung umalis siguro na lang tayo nagkita.
Oo nga, nung ag-alis
Nagkita na ang mga team.
Nakita niyo na yung nagtatago. Hindi na kasi kami
Finding Ann. Dumiretso pala yung sasakyan.
napawisan.
Grabe ang inis. Sana all talaga.
Talaga. Iwan. Kainis naman iPhone yan.
Dito nga ang tao ni Hamid
Hi! May pahanda mga friends.
Ayaw mo magpugas? Ito. Kandelan mo na to. Kandelan.
Kandila.
Ay, oh, asan na yung ano?
Hindi ni Hamida dyan eh.
Hawakan mo naman, baka gusto mo hawakan.
iPhone.
Iba na talaga pag iPhone ka na dahil. Oh.
Saan mo na lang sa akin yun?
Sing na. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Diba ako rin bibisa ako mag-blow. Happy birthday. There, bakla. Ano ka? Sabi ko,
Kung mayroong mali. Nuts, ano yun?
Hindi ba si Ann eh?
ha?
Rabbi fil Mustafa.
Cheers! Hi! Nag-walk ng asawa. Kain na.
Cheers.
Tapos makalimay na ako, diba? Gusto mo pa mag-cheers?
Cheers.
Dito to ah. Hi! How are you? That is limit? Stop. Iba talaga daw pag Pepsi. Kasing na agad ko.
The time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for your only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Let you teach me until I can deny this love and feeling. Let me love for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, come on.
Wet. Ibang nag-uusap na dun.
And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, we love you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream.
Kukunot pa to ah. Professional na.
Although I'm not asleep, I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, be too far. Come on, leave me breathless. Let me, taste me, till I can deny this lonely feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on.
Ay, di, ano naman siya. Mabilis yung ano. Kaya QA na, pero as long as may record. That's it. Hindi ko.
Mas maganda yung mabilis ko. Kaya hindi kayo mabilis.
Kasi may mga nagpapahanga sa akin. Kung sinabi ko yung
Mas madali yung sa akin sabi ko.
ako kasi. Oo, alam mo, minsan ka kami, ito ko, ito ko, ito ko. Kaya sabi ko, mag-process mo lang, pinaprocess ko lang.
Si, ano?
Was that all alone? Where the shadow hide the color of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the night. Pierce the stars in the sky. Don't mean nothing to
Andito
you.
ba kami niya?
There a mirror.
Oh.
I don't want to talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer. If I stay here, won't you please stay?
Bakit pina-question? Ang sabi
Oh
ko.
my
Feeling niya walang ginagawa sa akin, kasi halos lahat ng sa akin.
Sino ba sponsor?
Oh my heart.
Ay, Angelina sa birthday. Ay! Dami tayo na nakapunta ka na rin talaga. Kailangan sige.
The years never let me down.
Hindi kasi may book na yan, Dad.
Pwede ba yun? Lagyan naman? Alam ko, one lang. Iba yung nilagay ni dati, Sprite, sa 7-Up.
Ganun.
Love the life we make. Kayo na mga bro maglagay.
Kumitan siya.
Remember what I used to do. Who I trusted more. I listened to before. I swear it could be everything I know. When imagining someone so.
Ay, mo ba dito?
The years it seems to be.
Ano tingin natin yung kaya? Sige.
Everything I know.
Kaya ako siya pagkailangan ko, no?
Know that I belong right here with you. Through the years. On to an ocean of pull me out in time, don't let me down, let me down. I say it's all because of you. Into your ears I go, losing my control.
Kalapit din.
In your lips, no, I say it to your face, it doesn't seem right.
Na.
Punta dito, pinapainom ako.
Oh, hindi ka.
Sabi na.
Stay, you stay, don't come and go.
Kaya kung naranasan niya.
Sway my way.
Kung natin dito na ako ano, ha?
I need to know.
Ito lang parang may sakit ka ng buwa.
So here I am with open arms, hoping to see what your love means to me. Open arms.
Sa communication nila eh. Hindi basta-basta makasama ano. Ganito. Ano ba yan?
O, galing ba? Pinagkala mo dyan dun sa kayo.
Okay, katay natin ito.
Ikaw kayo. Ikaw yung champion mahirap. Our nights when the wind was so cold, and my body frozen very tight, just listening to right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cool, that all tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever.
Oh, go na.
I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how. And I vanished, I remember you and I had never met. When you touch me like this, when you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When it touches you like this, and I hold you like that. It's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of calm and there were flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, but then they're always in mind. There were nights when I was special. It was more than that, and lost in love. Maybe, maybe if I kiss you like this and I whisper like that, it's not so ago, but it's all coming back to me. Because that love I found, but it's all coming back to me. So hard to resist, and it's all coming back. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.
Mahal. Bakit mo? Chick.
Baka mamaya pag-uwi ko lang, will touch me like this.
Eh, naman, ganun ako.
And if you hold me like that, it was some way to win, but it's all coming back to me. You see me like this, and then you see you like that, then I see like we went to see it all coming back to me. And this is the fantasy, it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.
Halos isang buwan silang mag-asawa wala dito. Wala ako dito.
Dapat ako pumunta tayo.
Eh, sabi ko kay girlie.
Siguro hindi naman nakikita.
Hindi na siya ano. You got to love